Are you interested in learning how to make money online? Well, just follow these simple instructions and I'll show you how. Step 1 is to click the play video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds. And step 3 is to cash out your earnings. So right now, I'd like you to take a look at all of these movies that you can help you make a lot of movie online right here on your phone. If you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos, just take a look here. You may easily earn $40 by watching for 1 hour. You can make $80 just by watching for 2 hours. And you can make $120 if you watch for 3 hours, and you can do this as many times as you would like. The best part is that it's absolutely free, so you won't have to pay anything to get started. Yes, it's available all over the world. To get started, all you need is a smartphone or a computer, and you can literally start earning money right now. So in this short video, I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account and give you some helpful recommendations. I'll show you which videos are the most profitable. I'll also give you a live example of how to accomplish it in this video so you can see me do it step by step. Welcome to the Moneymaker, where we will teach you the most current money-making ideas, tips, and tricks. Before we move on to this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, activate notification bells, and if you have any questions at all, make sure to leave them down in the comments section. Okay, so first and foremost, let me introduce you to Swagbucks.com, a brand new website. As you can see on this amazing website, you can get paid every 15 seconds. You can also make money online by watching a range of videos and channels, with the earning potential being endless. I'll show you how to view a very basic video like this one, which will play after this ad in a moment. I'll show you how to repeatedly watch this 10-second advertisement and watch the video to earn money, which is exactly how all these guys make a lot of money on this website every day. And this is quite significant. On this website, you can earn money for free in a variety of ways. To begin, you can view advertisements and make money online. Second, you can earn money by clicking on the clicks grid. This is an excellent strategy. And as a bonus, I'll show you something at the end of this video. So keep an eye on things, but today we are concentrating on watching videos. As you can see, you can earn money just by watching videos. So for the time being, I just want to remind you to watch the complete video so you can understand everything and begin making money online. So first and foremost, I'll show you how to sign up for free to Swagbucks. And I'd like you to proceed to the registration page by clicking on this register button right here. You can now register on your phone or on your computer, as you can see here. So just submit your full name, username, password, and password confirmation for general information. Also, don't forget to include your email address. Oh, and there's also the second element, which is the payment account. And once you've logged into your PayPal account, you can get paid in various ways by simply entering your payment information, such as your PayPal email address in this box. Once you've logged into your PayPal account, you're ready to go. So when you've finished everything else, you'll need to finish the image verification and input. In this box, you can put whatever you like. Now, all I have to do is click on this one right here, agree to the rules, and click the register button. After you've logged into your account, you will see a choice of advertisements and videos that you can watch to earn money online in step 2. As you can see, there are a lot of different companies on this website right now, which means you have a lot of different alternatives for daily advertisements to look at. As a result, you'll find a variety of companies here that provide you with fresh new video ads that you may watch to earn money online. However, the most common issue that newcomers have is to choose which brand or video ad to watch and focus in order to make the most money. So, for those of you who are still looking for a supplementary tip, I recommend focusing on micro ADSS. I want you to focus on this category since you can earn money online by simply watching 10-second videos. As you can see, you'll be moved to a normal video after 10 seconds of the video commercial playing. So all you have to do now is wait for the next video ad to emerge. Before we go any further, wait another 10 seconds and you'll be able to make a lot of money. If you're enjoying this video so far, it's time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you found this video interesting and informative. We'll be delighted to hear from you. So now it's time to get back to work and start earning some money online. So now I'd like to offer you a bonus tip. You can truly turn your video's volume down. As you can see here, simply clicking on this one will mute the video and turn off the volume, allowing you to do other things while the video plays in the background. You can do the rest of your work in a different browser. As a result, this is a highly powerful way for launching numerous videos at once. You can open multiple browsers on separate devices, whether you have a PC or a phone. And the more videos you watch, the more chances you have of seeing video advertising, which means you may make money over and over again just by watching the video for 10 seconds. You'll notice that anytime you watch a video, there's always one video ad in front of it that guarantees you a lot of money. When the video begins after you finished watching the entire advertisement, you may notice 2, 3, or even 4 video ads from just one video. And once again, I'm going to give you an additional step. You can make a lot of money with just one video. As you can see, you have a chance to win up to $5 every time you click on these small little boxes right here. Now, just to have the choose to whatever random box you wish to click. Take for example this box, which will launch a random website. As you can see in this example, you only need to stay on this page for 10 seconds to avoid having to do anything. So if you're lucky, you might be able to win $5. Clone is actually quite simple to play, as you can see. To get any of the boxes you desire, simply click anywhere on the image. You might also win up to $5 in your account. Each click will take you to a sponsor's website, which you must stay for at least 10 seconds, as you've seen from what I've shown you thus far. For example, if you click on this box right now, you'll be taken to a random website as shown here. So just sit and wait for 10 seconds. You could also be able to win $5. As a result, you'll see that clicks are now reset on a daily basis. Every day after 12 AM, the midnight server time will be reset. All these boxes will now refresh and you can click on them once again. As a result, there's another option to make money with Swagbucks. So once again, this is how all of these people from all over the world generate money simply by watching videos. And you may do the same by following all of the steps that I showed you in this video. That's all there is to it. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy similar topics. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you're the first one to know when we upload a new video. And if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. And on this note, we will see you in the next video.